Check out this wonderful, wonderful orange tree. Has so many oranges coming in on it. So bountiful. That's with poweredwithnature.com. Make sure you're checking out the site. We have our new 4th album. The link is on the site. Expanded Levels of Vibration Part 2. It is amazing. Oh, the album is so nice. So I was out here thinking about what would be my top 3 favorite experiences since coming off grid approximately about 2 years ago now. And it's like when I tried to make the list just doesn't do it justice. It's so many different experiences. I think maybe one would be getting fruit off of the tree, like this lovely tree right here. Now this tree gave us a round of oranges a couple of months ago. I can't really remember when. And then before that round, when we first discovered the tree, it had a round of oranges on it. So now this is the 3rd round that we're getting from this tree. And it's amazing how the trees operate on their own cycle. You know, we tend to put them in the specific season, but really, if you pull the fruit from the tree and the tree knows that you are thankful and grateful for it, it'll keep reproducing for you. And it'll just keep reproducing and keep reproducing. No schedule needed, none of that. It'll just do it all on its own. So me and NEB, we have gotten fruit from coconut trees, mangoes, papaya, orange, and 2 different orange trees. This type, which is sour orange, and then another type, which were little orange, kind of like tangerines, but they were really small. Let's see, bananas. We got in something, I'm trying to remember them. Mangoes, coconut, bananas. Avocado, which was the best. I had never had avocado straight off the tree. They taste nothing like they do in the stores. They're so different. So that has to be one of the most amazing experiences since being off grid, and I can't wait because the experience is only going to get better. If you stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to the channel, you're going to see a great transition take place, and it's going to be so exciting. But anyway, another favorite would be gathering water. So we've had the pleasure of gathering water from a natural spring that just flows, a waterfall in the forest, which was delicious. We've gathered rainwater. Well, the rainwater is what we're pretty much gathering now, is rainwater. And then before that, it was well water. So we've got to experience all 4 of the natural elements of water. You know, we don't drink bottled water out of the store. Haven't had to drink it. If a situation arises where we have to have it, we will, but we will keep our rainwater for drinking, and then if we have to do other duties with the other water, we'll use the bottled water for that. So the water has to be another experience. And then maybe if I had to sum this all up in 3 of my best experiences since being off grid, I guess the 3rd one would be experiencing sleeping and being in a tent. That has been really, really fun. We've had a lot of fun since being in the tent. Get to hear the sounds, little beings, all their little sounds. Get to hear the rain, the thunderstorm, the fresh air, not being bogged inside of a building. That has really been a great experience. So overall, the water, the gathering fruits off the tree, the being inside the tent so far has been my top 3. Maybe I'll get NEB to do his top 3 in a separate video. And yeah, it's getting better and better, and just more and more, and it's just the experience overall is amazing to be doing something different, and then to be expanding in it and just getting better and growing and doing more and seeing more. That is the most exciting part of it all. Make sure you're tuned in with poweredwithnature.com, where we share a lot of this and more. And yeah.